Hey y'all. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create and label your map of the Silk Road. So we're going to be doing this in Google Earth. If you don't have a link to click on, you can just go to earth.google.com and hit enter. So Google Earth, the world's most detailed globe. Once this screen comes up, go ahead and click on Launch Earth. You may have to wait a few moments as it loads everything that it's got to load to make Google Earth work. But once it does, you are going to be able to take, an actual satellite map of the world and map out all those locations that were in my Silk Road story. So when you finish the Silk Road story, you should have gotten access to this file, which lists out all of the places that the character went to. Sometimes there was an old name that was used back in the long, long ago, but in all cases, well, there's the modern name. The modern name is what we're going to need to use here because Google Earth works with the world labeled as it is now, not as it was more than 1,000 years ago. So, anyway, in Google Earth, what you're going to need to do to start is start a new project. That is this symbol right here, projects, and you're going to want to click on New Project. When you get the New Project menu, create the project in Google Drive. Make certain that you are logged into your school account when you do this. If you're not, if you're logged into a different Google account, you won't be able to turn this in. So, anyway, create project in Google Drive. It'll start out being called Untitled Project. I think we can do better than that, so why don't we call it the Silk Road? Okay. Now, basically, what you're going to do, the first phase of this is just to get all the locations down on the map. In order to do this, I would just start by copying right here. The first place is Xi'an, China. I'm going to hit Control C. It will copy that name right there. Then when I come back over here, I'm going to click on New Feature. I'm going to search to add a place. You could go find it manually if you wanted to, but that's going to be a lot harder. In the search bar, I will hit Control V to paste it down, and then I'll hit Enter. And Google Earth is going to find Xi'an for me. Now, once it finds it, it's going to pop up a bit of information about it. All you have to do now is click the Add to Project button, and place title Xi'an. Yeah, great. Click Save, and you will get a golden pin on the map. Well, that's the first of several, but since Mr. Murray did all the typing for us, this should be pretty easy. I'll do another one or two just to show you, but next we've got Tianshui in China. Control C to copy. Go back over here, same thing. New feature. Search to add place. In Tianshui, China, then enter. And Google Map will zoom around and try to find that spot. It is right here. All I have to do is click Add to Project, save, and there we go. I've got 2 pins down. Just in case anybody's still having trouble, I will do the third. Lanzhou, China. Control C to copy. Back over here. New feature. Search to add a new place. Control V to paste, and then enter. And it's going to find Lanzhou. Click Add to Project. Okay. So I've got the first 3 down. I can zoom out here and you can see we're already sort of forming a connect the dots line. By the time we're done, you should have made it all the way over here. Now, if you remembered at the end of the story, you had a choice. You could either send them off to Constantinople, which is right about here, or to Cairo, which is over here. You may make that same choice for this map. In the list here, you need to do all of these cities all the way through Palmyra, and then for the final one, you can choose if you want to do the Silk Road that went to Europe, or you can do the Silk Road that went to Africa. I think that's it. So, best of luck to you on this first phase, and as always, stay safe and stay healthy.